So I had to ring up the ANZ Bank this morning to find out where our nearest bank was because we want to go and do our grocery shopping tomorrow, my wife and I. And I rang up the ANZ to find out which was the nearest bank. And we're here in Burnside, Christchurch, and they told us Rangiora,
That's the shop
Geraldine,
that I saw fall down in front of my eyes. I mean, how people could survive in there, I don't know. Pretty frightening stuff.